Hello Yuba and Sutter community. As of today, Wednesday, October 28th, both Yuba County and Sutter County's K-12 schools are permitted to reopen for in-person schooling by the California Department of Public Health. What is permitted versus what is prudent? Very different. I, along with the superintendents of school for Sutter County and Yuba County, are jointly advocating strongly for a careful, prudent, phase-in approach to reopening of in-person schooling.
I'm Dr. Francisco Reveles. I'm the Yuba County Superintendent of Schools.
My name's Tom Resser. I'm Sutter County Superintendent of Schools.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's fall. And any other time we'd be going to football games, schools, children will be ready, going to school, doing their homework. But you know what? These are different times. You know that, I know that.
As we get ready to reopen in the next few weeks, school's going to look a little different. We will begin with the younger grades and move up towards the high schools. And not everybody will be allowed to go back at the same time. We need to be safe.
We want to open up the schools as soon as we can, but we got to be careful. And the fact is that to bring our students safely back for the instruction that we missed, that we need to practice and exercise safety measures, the masks, 6 feet distancing.
I know kids, all you want to be back with your friends, you want to be back to see people, you want to be back and socialize, and you want to go back to school. Please be patient with our schools, with our districts, with our boards and superintendents. They are trying their best to make sure that we re-enter back into regular school and we are safe.
But schools can't do it alone. We're reaching out to you, our partners, our parents. Work with us. As we start moving to opening up schools, we're asking you to work with your administrators, your governing boards, adhere to the safety measures. It is not about opening schools, it's about keeping them open, and everybody has a role to play.
The superintendents in the districts in our area are planning to make sure that our kids are safe. There's a lot that goes into it.
We want to make sure that when schools reopen for in-person schooling, they remain open. We don't want a yo-yo effect where they reopen and then there are clusters of cases, and due to that, we have classrooms, we have schools, we have districts having to abruptly close again. This is an all-community effort. Schools are not an island in and of themselves. They are affected by each of our action in the Yuba and Sutter community. When you heed the tenets of social distancing, of wearing your facial covering, of not showing up to work sick, of limiting your social interaction with non-household members, not going to large gatherings, you are actively helping to protect schools, to allow these school students to remain in schools in a healthy and safe manner. So let's do that. Let's be committed to ensuring that these in-person schooling will continue for the next many months. Thank you.